Welcome all. Today we are going to learn how to cut photo using PenTool. For using this method you have to remember three things. First, P letter is the shortcut for PenTool, second the Alt key, and last the Ctrl key. So now, let's start. As I said, the shortcut key for PenTool is P. Press P. You can see the pen symbol appear. Now I'm going to start to plotting the points at the edges of this model. Now press the left key of your mouse and start plotting points. This point is starting point. Plot the point at edges. You can see I started to plotting the points. Now you can see here is some curve. So I'm going to press the left key of mouse up till I get desired curve. You can see here there are two handle. Going to forward. Here get some curve. Because of previous curve I made, now I have to minimize it. Now I'm going to use the Alt key for it. Keep pressing the Alt key and you can see the triangular shape, which means you can move this handle. Now going forward. Here apply the same procedure I used to before curve. Going to make it fast. If you choose the wrong point, then don't worry about it. You can undo it by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Z, or by Ctrl key. Keep pressing the Ctrl key, go to the point and move it. If you see the triangular shape, then consider it as I used Alt key for drawing the curve. At the end, when you're done with plotting the points, you can see the circular mark on the point that I started. So it means that you can finish here. I want to select this path. Press right click of mouse. Select Make Selection. Press OK. Now you can see the selection. Click on Mask. Then it will show only the selected area. Now you can see the cutted area is well finished and accurate. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.